Hi, Lucy. Is it time to play with one of your favorite toys? The water bottle? Come on, Lucy. Come here. Go get it. Oh, what a jump. Go get it. You only want the cap? Uh-oh. Did you pop it? Oh, Lucy, you popped it! Lucy! Is it losing all its water? Oh, look at all the holes! Man, you can take in flight with those ears, huh? Go get it! Oh, don't get the camera wet. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Where are you going? Oh, you're just coming after me now, huh? Attack mode, my goodness. Where's your toy? There it is. Look at those teeth. My goodness. Oh, the cap came off, Lucy. All right, Lucy, let's see your water bottle. Oh my goodness, it's so empty. Where'd all the water go? She loves the way it sounds. She likes to confide it to death, and it never dies because plastic is, well, deadly for the environment. Yeah, I'm sorry, Lucy. And that's why we're gonna recycle it. Yep. Oh! What are you doing over there? Oh! No biting. Good girl. Did you have fun playing with your water bottle? Did you kill it? Oh, what you got there? Oh, look. A stick. Oh, look. A leaf. All right, it's time to say bye. Sit. I love you. We'll see you later, huh? Bye, baby. You're gorgeous. You're gorgeous. Straight gorgeous. Bye.